What are the most important pillars for truly holistic health? Today, we're exploring a topic that's absolutely fundamental to holistic health. It's not just about what you eat or drink, it's about so much more. Ready to transform your life? Let's dive into the 8 pillars of health. Pillar number 1, water. We all know water is life, but did you know it's also a multitasking superhero? It regulates your temperature, flushes out toxins, lubricates your joints, and keeps your skin looking fabulous. So, drink up. Your body is over 60% water. Let's keep it that way. Pillar number 2, exercise. Think of it as the body's natural coffee. It boosts your heart health, lifts your mood, strengthens your muscles and bones, and helps you manage your weight. Just like the famous quote by Jack LaLanne says, "Exercise is king, nutrition is queen. Put them together and you've got a kingdom." Plus, it's a great excuse to wear those neon workout clothes you bought last year. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate activity a week. Your body will thank you. Pillar number 3, nutrition. A balanced diet isn't just about avoiding that extra slice of cake. It's about fueling your body with the right nutrients. Load up on fruits, veggies, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. And remember, variety is the spice of life and your diet. Sunshine, pillar number 4. No, we're not telling you to sunbathe like a lizard all day. But do not hide from the sun. The sun is not your enemy, but has proven to even heal in so many cases. Spend more time outside and boost your vitamin D levels, improve your mood, and support your immune system. So get outside, catch some rays, and maybe work on that tan, responsibly of course. Pillar number 5 is temperance. It's all about moderation, folks. Too much of anything, even kale, can be a bad thing. Balance is key. Try staying away from habits that harm you and look for moderation in the good things. That is the key. Practice moderation in all things and your body will find its happy place. Clean air. Our pillar number 6. We often take it for granted, but clean air is crucial for your respiratory health, cognitive function, and overall well-being. Open your windows, invest in a good air purifier, and spend time in nature. Your lungs will thank you. Pillar number 7, rest. Sleep is like a magic reset button for your body and mind. It helps with physical recovery, cognitive function, and emotional stability. Aim for 7 to 9 hours a night. And no, binge watching your favorite show until 3 a.m. doesn't count as rest. Finally, pillar number 8, trust or spiritual health. Whether it's faith in God, a higher power, or simply having a strong sense of purpose, spiritual health can reduce stress, provide community support, and boost resilience. Find what works for you and make it a part of your daily routine. I found that including prayer in my daily routine just helped me so much to have the strength and calmness to conquer all challenges that life throws at me. And there you have it, the 8 pillars of health. Remember, true health is a harmonious balance of all these elements. It's not just about the green smoothies or the daily jog. It's about nurturing every part of your being. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share it with your friends. And don't forget to drop a comment below on which pillar you're going to focus on first. Thanks for watching, and remember, your health is your wealth. See you next time.